drop down list to switch between charts. Say we have three charts: revenue, expense and profit. We create a drop down list here, and based on this drop down list we choose between charts. Say we choose expense, then expense chart. If we choose profit, then profit chart. If we choose revenue, then revenue chart. So how can we create this drop down list and make selection? We have in this sheet side here, we have the data and we have the chart, and based on this chart we created this drop down and selection. So let's take this data in a new sheet to start from very scratch. I just copy this data and go to a new Excel sheet. Let's paste it here. So first of all, we create the chart for three individual item: revenue, expense and profit. First of all, we choose the revenue, select the data, go to the insert, select it to the clustered column chart. For just place it here. Now just make some edit in the bar, right click, go to the format data series, take gap width as 100% and take this color as, select the bar, go to the format, shape fill as aqua. So this is my revenue chart. Now create another chart for expense. So paste here, select the data bar and just move this selection to expense data. Now this is my chart for expense. Change this color as, go to the shape fill and this gray. Again copy this chart and paste below here. Select the bar and change the data link here, and this is the profit. Now just change the color of here. Select any bar, right click, format data series, go to the fill and line, fill, and here we have both profit and negative profit, loss. So we can choose invert if negative. So if we take the profit as say light green and take the negative profit means loss as this red color. So our charts are ready. Now we need to create a selection here. Makes a drop down list. Say we can write here choose chart, and here we create a drop down list. So to create drop down list we need to go to the data, go to the data validation, allow as list and take source as this, our revenue, title revenue, expense and profit. So here our drop down list is created. We can give a border here. Now what we need to do, we create name range for each of the chart. So how can we create the name range? So we select the area of the chart and come here is the name box and write here as, say this is my revenue chart. So if I choose my revenue, this area is selected. So we do the same thing for expense. Go to the name box and give name as expense. Again we do the same thing, create another name range for profit. Came to the name box and write as profit. So we created the three name range for our three charts. Now we come here again, we just copy this cell and paste as, right click and make paste as this linked picture, means that what is available in this cell, it is showing as the picture of this cell. Now we can change this here as we created the name range. Say if we write revenue, so this is the name range of the revenue. If we choose it, so here this name range means this area is showing here. if we choose here as profit, so the profit name range is showing here. But if we choose from here expense, this is not changing, this is not dynamic yet. We need to create it dynamic with the name range. So we need to create another name range to make it dynamic for dynamic selection. So we need to go to the formula, name range, and create a new name range. So give as name as say selection, and we need to give a if formula here to choose between the chart name. If this cell means the our drop down cell equals revenue, then we get the name range picture for the revenue. Again, if this cell means the selection drop down cell equals expense, then we get expense name range picture, otherwise it is profit. So our condition is if the name is profit here, then we give the name range this area. If this is the expense name expense here, then we give this area, and otherwise it will be profit. Okay, now here we need to give this name range for the option. So here we choose selection. So this is our selection name range. Now if we choose revenue, then it is dynamic. If we choose revenue, then we get the revenue chart. If we choose expense, then we get the expense chart. If we choose profit, then we get the profit chart. So we can just keep it aside to our main area. Now we can choose, so our chart calculations in another place and our selection in here. So we can make it dynamic now. So hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching.